This video shows how to buy shares of LeMaitre Vascular Inc., a company that develops vascular surgery devices and supplies, traded on NASDAQ under the ticker LMAT. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker LMAT to locate the listing. Confirm you select the LeMaitre Vascular Inc. entry on NASDAQ. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to make sure it matches LeMaitre Vascular. Double-check the NASDAQ market label and the LMAT ticker to confirm it is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set to execute at the next session, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to visit the platform.